Day one, bro. You excited?
Day one, we're going to Atlanta. I haven't been to Atlanta in over 3 years, I believe. So I'm excited, yo. Atlanta, you guys are not ready for us, and I'm not ready for y'all. But I'm going to try. I'm going to try to live it up. Saturday night, we're going out for sure. Got to experience a night out in Atlanta. Got to hit the club. Huge shout out to Deandre Hunter. He's a beast. And we're building his setups. Alright guys, so we're here at Deandre Hunter's house, his incredible crib, and I'm here right next to me. I have his incredible setup. We just built it. We built 2 setups, one in his room and one out there for his friend. Both nearly identical setups, and boy was it a treat to build. We got the inland desk from Micro Center. Always holds us down, really good surface, a lot of space. We got a 32-inch gigabyte 4K 144 hertz monitor. Really nice, really high end, perfect for gaming, especially since they got their PS5 over here. He got a PS5 that we got hooked up so he can switch over whenever he wants to play and still use his PC to like stream or use Google Chrome and all that. We got a nice Asus 27-inch monitor here. And then we got, for peripherals, we got the High Ground Black Ice keyboard. We hooked him up with that. Huge shout out to High Ground. We got the glorious Model O V2 mouse. It's a fire mouse. It's also wireless. And then we got the incredible PC. He bought this PC. He bought 2 PCs from us. They're both identical. It has the i9 13900K, the Asus Strix RTX 4090, the Lee & O11 Dynamic Evo with 10 uni fans and streamers. We got the Corsair H150i LCD screen. We got the Asus Z790-E motherboard. And we got 7200 megahertz of G-Skill RAM. So he's in a great position, great build. He's a great friend for hooking his friend up to. And this is just fire. We're about to cable manage a setup. This is the day 2 of us being in Atlanta, hooking him up. He's already played a lot of games with COD. He loves it. We're getting around 140, 150 FPS. Consistent at 4K, which is really nice. I also optimized the PC to the max. So I'm really happy with how this all turned out, yo. We're going to finish the cable management, and then we're going to say bye to Deandre and be on our way back home. So let's get it. Yo, also, Deandre was in love with the cooler from Corsair. The fact that we could put any GIF on there is super dope. And if y'all want to know a quick little flex, we went to Giphy.com, we typed in his name, and bruh, he has 1 million GIFs available too. We have so many options to choose from. So that shit was dope. So he's gonna have a lot of options for GIFs and color schemes for sure. I already know. About to run a stress test too. After the overclock, it was stable, but I want to pump it up a little more because the setup over there was getting a little more FPS than here, so I'm not cool with that. Alright guys, I'm here with my guy Chuck. Bro, how you doing, man?
I'm doing great, bro.
Yo, it's a pleasure to be here. So Dre got y'all 2 setups, one for him, one for you. So what do you think of your setup?
Dude, it's unbelievable, man. Honestly, better than my expectations. My expectations were kind of high.
Let's go.
And the delivery was on point and probably above what I was expecting.
That's amazing. So this is your first time playing COD on PC?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So what was it like switching from PS5 to PC?
It was a breeze. Honestly, it feels super smooth. Runs nice. Looks unbelievable. Feels great. I feel like I'm playing better. You know how that goes. So
Yeah.
Pretty pleased.
That's amazing, man. So, as a close friend of a professional athlete, how important do you think it is, now that you guys both have dope setups, how important do you think it is for a professional athlete to have like an amazing setup at home?
I think for guys that this is a hobby for, and if I like to do this in their free time, I think it's ideal. Honestly, they're in a position where they can get one of these setups, and I think there's no better setup than what I've seen you guys set up for us here today. Honestly, so.
Well, yo, thank you so much, bro. For real, we're gonna go talk to Deandre, see what he thinks, and we'll be on our way, man.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you so much for having us.
No worries.
All right, guys. I'm here with the man of the hour, Deandre Hunter. Man, how you doing, bro?
I'm doing good, bro. Appreciate y'all for coming out.
Yes,
setting
sir.
up my PC.
Oh man.
Looks great.
What other games do you play? So you definitely play Warzone.
Yeah, play Warzone, FIFA, 2K, Brawlhalla, Rocket League. Yeah, that's about it. I can play Madden too, but I'm not good.
And you've been a gamer for a long time?
Yeah, for basically my whole life.
Dude, everyone in the NBA is a gamer nowadays. It's crazy, right? So, what do you think of the setup, bro, overall?
I love it. I mean, this is what I wanted when I said I wanted a custom PC.
Oh, yeah.
It came exactly how I imagined. I can put my own little pick in there. That's fire. Yeah, and I can actually, try to stream if I want to and do things like that. So
yeah,
no, it's dope.
I don't think I asked you this yet, but how did you hear about us?
I forgot. I think someone told me they had got like a custom PC, and then they just sent me a link to it. And I was like, yeah, I need one.
Nice.
I was like, I need one.
That's amazing. Yeah, thank you so much again for having us.
I appreciate y'all.
So I'll give you a little curveball question. What are your 3 favorite games of all time?
Favorite games of all time? I definitely gotta put Fortnite in there.
Fortnite.
Probably Modern Warfare 2.
Okay.
And I'll do like a what's the game when the super animated basketball game?
Like, NBA Jam?
Yeah, NBA Jam.
Oh, okay. I love NBA Jam, especially at the barcades.
Yeah,
they got that there.
OD.
But alright, man. Yo, again, thank you so much for having us.
Yes, sir.
This setup is fire. Definitely hit us up if you ever need anything. And best of luck in the next season, bro.
Yes, sir. I
Kill
appreciate
it. Super hyped to watch you and support the Hawks, bro.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you, bro.
Thank you.
For sure.
Yo, we'll catch you guys later.
We literally just did Deandre Hunter's PC. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. When I called it before the trip, I knew it was going to be a trip for the ages, and boy, it was. We live for these moments. Thank you to Deandre for having us, for that in-person interaction. I'm so grateful. Great time. Sicko mode. We go in sicko mode.